What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to make $250 per day on YouTube without making videos. Yes, it's something you can do. You do not need to shoot videos. You don't need to record videos. You do not need to even edit videos. It has nothing to do with videos that you create. It's all about other people. What I'm going to show you today is how to make $250 per day by offering a service that is simple, it's easy, and everybody could use it. So let's hop in the computer. Let me show you on YouTube how you can make $250 per day offering a very simple service. So let's go. So here we are on YouTube. So what is this service that I want to show you? Well, it's actually something everybody can use. What I'm going to show you is how to write a description and actually sell it to somebody. Okay, a description. You're probably thinking, why would anybody pay for that? Well, let me explain. Do you know the amount of people on YouTube that do not write their own description or do not ever put anything in the description box for their videos? The numbers are extremely high. They're absurd. Okay, you think if somebody's going to put in the time and effort to create a video, they're going to also do good tags, do a good thumbnail, and do a very good description. However, most don't. Here's the reason why. It takes them, let's say, an hour, 2 hours to do the video, to upload it, put in a title, and they think, okay, it took me an hour to do that. I'm done. Okay? No. You still got to do tags. Don't just write some random crap, put it in the video or in the tag section and think you're good to go. Most people do. And once they do that, then comes the description. Nobody's going to read it. Maybe nobody will. However, YouTube does look at the description for ranking videos. It's not extremely high, but they do use it, and it does help videos rank better. Here's what you need to do. Now let me show you how it works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to YouTube, and if I'm going too fast, you can slow the video down or just watch it again. Here's what you do. Okay? And I'll talk about how to do some other stuff in just a second and what you can charge for this service. So I'm gonna do like how to increase leg strength. Let's do that. How to increase leg strength. So one of the things you can do is you can come right here. You can already see, okay, how to increase leg strength is a very good keyword to go after. If you're not sure what I'm using right here, this is actually TubeBuddy. Okay, if you don't know what it is or if you've never heard of it, it's a great service. You can get it for free. You can get the service or the software for free. I'll put a link to that down in the description box below. But how to increase leg strength. Okay, so if you're some of these videos, okay, great. They're already ranking for this keyword. However, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on filter and I'm going to click on upload date. Here's the reason why. The reason why I click on upload date is because I want to find a video that has been recently published that has a decent amount of subscribers on the channel. However, they don't have as many views for the video. Okay, so their subscriber count's really high, their view count's rather low. Okay, so one of the ways that you can get those to somewhat balance to increase it is to do better SEO for those videos. Okay, so let's come here and just see. So this one, 10 hours ago, 30 views, 72 subscribers. Chances are the little puffin is not going to pay me what I need to actually offer the service because they're probably not making any money. Okay, this one, 4 days, 81 views, 414 subscribers. Again, probably not making money from their channel. So are they going to pay me? No. This one right here, Strength Team, 108,000 subscribers, 3.9 thousand views, done 6 days ago. Awesome. Okay, so I'm going to click on that one. Here's another one, the Prehab Guys, 20,000 subscribers, 800 views 1 month ago. That would be another one. I can click on that one as well. I'm opening up both of those, all right? So the first one I'm going to go to is the Strength Team right here. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and pause that. We don't need to see that. Okay, and I'm going to come down here. You can see over here, this is actually TubeBuddy that's showing me this. So TubeBuddy is saying, they're not ranking. Okay, I'm going to open up the description, see what's written. Okay, so it has these three hashtags. Okay, cool. Has a link. Awesome. If you are serious about building some muscle, here's a great leg workout that will help you do so. This workout will take you about 60 minutes and only has 5 exercises. Here's the full workout for you to try, and it is Gain certified and the full workout. Cool. Now, what could I do to make this better? Well, there's a few things I recommend. Now, I just identified a video that needs a better description, and they have the subscribers. Okay, they have over 100,000 subscribers, so they're getting views. It's obviously been, the channel's been updated recently. It was what, 4 days ago, 6 days ago that the channel uploaded that video. Okay, I don't know if they've done anything more recently since then, but that just shows me they're putting in the work. So why not offer my service to this channel for, let's say, $10. Okay, $10. That means, and I'm telling you this because I know this works. I have tested this exact same process to ensure it works. Okay, and I used to do this. I don't do it anymore. But let me show you. Okay, so this is great. Okay, so what I could do right here is I just copy this. I come over to, let's say, a Google Doc right there. I would take this right here. I would actually cut that. So I'm going to cut that. I'm going to put that at the bottom of the page. Okay. I am going to do this. I'm going to go and cut this. I'm just going to show you what I would do if I were to pretty much redo this entire video. Okay. To redo the description. Okay. Because the reason why is because people want to know, okay, they're not just hiring me to just go and change it up, to change the layout. Yeah, it might look better now. However, there's more I can do. For example, let me show you. One of the other things I would do, other than just changing this up, is I'm going to go and find some easy to rank for keywords that are targeted for whatever it is, for the leg workout for building muscle. So is that something this guy's going after? Leg workout for building muscle. Let's type that in. Leg workout for building muscle. Okay. How easy is that to rank for? Not easy. Let's try gaining muscle. Okay. How easy is that? Better. So why would I go after leg workout for building muscle when leg workout for gaining muscle right here is better? Okay, so I would do that. So great leg workout. Let's see, if you are serious about building some muscle, if you're serious about a great leg workout for gaining muscle, this will help you do so. Okay, so now I have pretty much the main keyword, leg workout for gaining muscle, right there. One of the things I would also do, I would also add some more keywords. Now, I'm not going to actually add these like this. I'm not just going to put a list of keywords. I'm going to implement them into actual description. So, keywords could be how to increase leg strength. Okay, so how to increase leg strength. Leg workout for gaining muscle. Okay, let's go look at some more. Leg exercises for gaining muscle. See that one? Okay, leg exercises for increasing muscle. Let's see that one. Leg exercises for building muscle. Okay, let's go to that one as well. Building muscle for beginners. Okay, that one's not bad. We'll go ahead and copy that one, and we'll paste in here as well. Okay, so let's say I have 3. Now, normally I would go and add like 5, 6, 7, a little bit more. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. You got the website right there. Okay, great. I'm gonna come down here and I'm gonna write. So you are here because you are interested in learning how to increase leg strength, right? If that, I'm not going to worry about spelling right now. You get the idea. If that is what you are here for, and you need to follow along with this entire workout program that I outlined for you. The best part about this leg workout for gaining muscle is that I have proven that it works. Something else you need to consider when it comes to building muscle in your legs is that you need to train them often. Okay, so that would be like one thing. Then I would do, these are not just leg exercises for building muscle for beginners. These also work for advanced body builders as well. One tip that I have for you is to work out in the mornings when your body is still waking up. I can go on and on. Anyway, the reason why I would do that is because, number one, I have this in there. Now it's in there twice. This is in there. Okay, well, let's edit, undo that. This right here, leg workout for gaining muscle, that's in there. Leg exercise for building muscle for beginners, that's in there. Okay, they're all in there. So I'm adding more keywords. So once I actually present this to this person, okay, and something that I like to do is, if you have any questions on how to let's see, leg workout for gaining muscle. If you have any questions on this leg workout for gaining muscle, then please comment below and I will answer you there. Okay, so we have a leg workout for gaining muscle here. There's another one somewhere in here. We have another one down here. So there's three or four different that keyword put there in 3 or 4 different times, and all we did was we added this, okay, and we added this. Oops. We added this section right here, and then we changed this up just a little bit. So I could come on and say, okay, and tell this person right here, hey, I found, okay, I've identified some keywords that I think you should be going after. You're going after the wrong one. I've created the new description for you. I've also went ahead and changed some of the keywords. I'm gonna send you the file, okay, and we go ahead and add the keywords here. These keywords that are down here. So keyword 1, keyword 2, keyword 3, all these, and I keep going on and make 15 or whatever. I'd put those in there for this person, for Strength Team, to go in and change out his video tags and use the ones that I identified are a good one for that video. Okay, and so he's only gonna upload this into his description, and all this is gonna be tags. Okay, very simple. Now that's just one. Now this once you do it, once you figure out the right way to do it, okay, once you understand, okay, this is what I need to do. I need to go and identify the different videos. Then I need to go identify the keywords that this person could rank for, and then I need to go and write a new description. Once I have their okay, their permission, they're willing to pay me $10 for a 400 to 600 word description that I wrote myself. Okay, once I've done all that, that's when you start building your clientele. Okay, Strength Team, he wants me to do this on every single video. Great. Okay, so now every time he uploads a video, let's just look and see. Okay, how many videos has he done in the past month? All right, I just want to look at that really quick. In the past month, so 3 days ago, 4 days ago, 5 days ago, 6 days ago. So in the past week, okay, he's done 4 videos. So if every week, okay, he does 4 videos, and I charge $10 per description, that's every week, I'm making $40 from this one channel. Okay, what if it was somebody like me who uploads between 6 to 7 times per week? That means for me, okay, that whoever's doing it for me would be earning anywhere from $60 to $70 per week if they charge $10 to do all that stuff I was just outlining. Okay, so just think about that. how much do you really need to make to earn $250 every single day? So if you're charging $10, okay, it's pretty simple math. 250 divided by 10 is 25 clients or 25 video descriptions per day. If it takes you 15 minutes, okay, 15 times 25 takes you 375 minutes. If you divide that by 60, takes you a little over 6 hours to earn $250 in a day. Okay, 6 hours. Okay, that's really good, because let me show you this. Okay, 250 divided by 6.25, it's $40 an hour. $40 an hour. Most people are happy to be making $15 an hour. 20 is like, oh my God, I'm killing it. $30, they're like, I'm rich, okay? I'm making that money. But $40 an hour, it's not a lot of work. You just have to go and put in that little bit of work to identify the channels, to identify the people that are coming up, that are doing more work, that are growing. Because as they're growing, I guarantee they're willing to pay you some money. They're willing to pay you $10, $15 to do all that stuff, if all they have to focus on is the content of their video. Now, I know what you're going to ask. And a lot of people ask this exact same question. Do people actually pay for that? Yeah, they do. And let me show you this. Let me show you this really quick. Okay, over on Fiverr.com, you can see right here, Fiverr. Okay, I typed in YouTube description. Look right here. Look at this. Okay, I will write description, title, and tag SEO for your YouTube video, starting at $5. Okay. Here's another one, starting at $5, $5, starting at 20, starting at 5, 5, 5, 5, okay? 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 10, 20, 100. You get the idea. People are willing to pay for this, and I can see they are, because look, 5-star review, 57 results, or 57 reviews. 58 reviews, 4.9. 21, 4.9. 14, 4.6. Okay? 161, 4.9. None right here. Okay? 1, 5, 17, 4.8. 4, 5, 1, okay, you get the idea, all right? So yes, people are more than willing to pay for this service, to get somebody to write their description, to fix their tags, maybe to improve on their title, okay? And if you include that with a thumbnail, and you're charging $10 to do the description, the title, and the tags, you're doing all the research yourself, and then you're going to include a thumbnail for an extra $5, $15 per video, okay, per video, per day, per client, whatever, okay, $15. If you're to get, let's say, 10 clients. 10 clients is not a lot considering how many actual channels are on YouTube. Go and look. Just go and find, look, let me show you this. Let me show you this, right? Because I know you're probably going to ask, okay, how do I go about finding or getting a hold of Daryl Moore from Strength Team? Well, go to his actual channel, click on About, okay, and you can go and view email address. You can see his email address right here. Then guess what he did? Yep, that's right. You send him an email. Simple as that. And just let him know what you have to offer. Now, don't go rush out and send emails to Strength Team and say, hey, I told you to do so. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying I've identified one person. You know, that would be a great start. But there's millions of other channels out there. Go and find some other ones, both maybe on fitness, on cooking, on making money online, on network marketing, on childcare and development and sport, whatever. Okay, the list seriously goes on and on and on. So hopefully this video kind of helps you out, gives you an idea of different ways to make money on YouTube, because it's not all about creating videos. You can have a full-fledged online business by never creating a YouTube video, just by offering your service to people that are creating videos. So they're making money, you're making money, everybody's happy. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did and you learned something, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. So if you do all that, I'll see you guys on the next one.